Okay, so Doguyasuji. I really butcher it. Anyway, it is a kitchen supply street. No, Doguyasuji. Yasuji.
Oh, did you already film the cigarettes here?
Yeah, I know. Look how cheap it is. $6 for a packet.
Like a blue skin one, right?
Nah, it's really cheap.
It's cheap, Jen.
This is
It's in Australia per packet.
like a tin.
Ah, still. See? Bowls and spoons and... And they've got a knife. I'll show you this one, it's really big. I've been there a few times.
Buy anything from there?
Yeah, knife. Here, see? Stationery. So, stationaries. Huh? Look, souvenirs. Do you have any souvenirs? Here, see? Hello! Oh, it's cute, yeah. It's inside the side.
Yeah, I don't think Mom will go in the shop. Oh, $7.50.
How much? Yeah, it's cheaper.
Cheap. Yeah, my katsu.
Oh, they have curry katsu. Curry.
You want the curry one? I just want to plain simple. Keep it
Oh,
simple.
here, $8.50. Curry and rice. Yeah, see the knives? See the knives? Wow. Yeah.
$100.
How many different knives are there? Hmm? Oh, you.
Damn. So expensive.
Wow, $1,500. It's like $1,000 for a knife. Isn't it? Wow. A walk? See? Here's a barbecue. See the barbecues and
The takoyaki.
yeah.
Over there.
Tax free as well. This store, there's an underground as well. There's a second level under, it's huge. You want to look? See? Huge. See the gas burners? Pasta machine. What? What about a wok?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's huge.
Yeah, barbecue. Coffee. Cookie skewers.
This place is like wholesale. I mean, like buy in bulk. Oh, Como.
Yeah, cheaper. It's made in. Where is this made? Made in China, see?
There you go, that.
Half the price of the one made in Japan.
Yeah, well.
But don't forget the electricity is slow here too. It's 110. It's very slow. It takes so long my phone to charge. Yeah,
I thought I was like, why is
it's
it so
110
hard?
volts. That's why.
Yeah. I'd wait a whole night for it to charge up properly. Like, please.
Yeah, it's 100.
Yeah, I had time to charge it up.
Didn't you use it on the USB thing? Did you plug into the USB? There's a USB-C.
But you can do tennis switch? No, I'll put the whole plug for that.
Oh, okay. Before you got the USB, you just plug it in.
No, I left that thing at home.
Yeah, because your phone has a USB. Your plug has USB. Oh, is there a filler?
That's a filter? Wow. That's different. Oh, you're using filter your alcohol and water and tea? Wow. Okay.
Ceramic filter?
What is it, like chocolate or something? Or?
I don't know. Beautiful.
I'll better look at it later. Plates and bowls.
Look at this, very nice. Look at the chopsticks. Pretty windy. Look at that. See, plates and bowls and
You used to have the nice before he last time? No.
oh what?
You used to have the nice or oh, look.
Yeah. No, no. Yeah.
What? How $10,000
$10,000 for sword, yeah.
Oh, is this when you get your knife out?
No. Oh, I think one of them. They tap your thing. No, yeah, I think it's this one. And then they tap.
Oh, the tap and not blow.
No. Then they make your name on it.
Oh,
They engrave for your name as well. Yeah, here, free engraving. They engrave your name. What do you think? Interesting? No. Yeah, you get an LED one. Let's go out, turn right, we'll walk straight back up. What do you think? Different? Oh, what's this one? Daiso?